And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create Ternera a la Milanesa or Veal Milanese. So what I have here are the basic ingredients, very easy. I have some veal or ternera cutlets. See how thin they are, the cut? This one is a little bit thicker, but that's fine. This one are thin. I'm going to wash my hands. You're going to need some extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, dry thyme, about 2 or 3 eggs, depending on how many of the veals you have. 2 eggs might be sufficient. I'm going with 3. I have, very critical, bread crumbs. That's what I mean. And you want them plain. You don't want this stuff, the Italian style. No, you want them plain. And I have some flour, all-purpose flour. You can have also some wedge of lemon if you want to. Make sure you bat the eggs very well. Then add a little bit of salt, just a pinch. And some pepper, just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. Butter again. So I put the cutlets in a container. Add pepper to your taste. Salt to your taste. You don't want it too salty. And then add some of this dried thyme. Mix it up. Make sure things is well distributed. Go to the next step. To organize things because you're going to go from the veal to this, to the eggs, to the breadcrumbs, and then you're going to put it aside. So you have to organize things so it makes sense when you're doing your evolution, okay? Get the veal, put it in your flour. You're going to get a little bit messy. See? Go to your egg. Make sure the egg is completely covering the veal. Go to the breadcrumbs. And then from the breadcrumbs, go to the clean plate. Repeat the evolution. Flour. Egg. Make sure it's covered. Breadcrumbs. And if you need more breadcrumbs, you add it, okay? Then you put it aside. So I have my 100-year-old, almost 100-year-old cast iron. You can use any type of pan. Medium high, preheating for about 2-3 minutes. Going to lower to medium. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to shallow cook these babies. Shallow cook. Meaning that I'm using extra virgin olive oil. It's not going to be all the way up. So I add these babies because they're thin. I'm going to cook each side for maybe 2 minutes each side, maybe 3 minutes each side. So I say between 2 to 3 minutes each side, okay?